Last question of your homework, okay? I think this is pretty easy to understand. The only difference is that you have two types of symbols here, okay? Dots and crosses. They have already told you that the crosses are conifer trees, the dots are apple trees, okay? So for A, you're supposed to complete the table, okay? First one, you have number of apple trees. Second one, you have number of conifer trees. Okay, so let's look at the first diagram. Okay, you have only one apple tree because one dot. Okay, and here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 conifer trees as per the number of crosses. Okay, so second question, it's very easy. You just keep copying by counting the number of trees there. So you can count 4 apple trees. Here you have count 9 apple trees. Here you can have 16 apple trees. So that's how we can fill in the table. Okay, and the number of crosses, you have 16, 24, and 32. All basically by counting the number of crosses on the outside. Okay, now for the fifth one, if you don't want to draw a diagram, you should be able to see a pattern here, over here, right? This, when n equals to 1, you have 1, n equals to 2, you have 4, n equals to 3, you have 9, n equals to 4, you have 16, okay? So here you can see that it is actually 2 square, which is equal to 4, and then 3 square equals to 9. 4 square equals to 16. Therefore, number of apple trees is actually 5 square equals to 25. Okay, then for here, you have 8, 16, 24, 32. You should be able to see that these are all multiples of 8. See, 8 times 1, 8 times 2, 8 times 3, 8 times 4. So the next one clearly is just 8 times 5, which is 40. Okay, so when it comes to B, where you're supposed to find the number of apple trees and number of conifer trees when n equals to 6. Okay, so very easily your number of apple trees is 6 square, which is 36. Number of conifer trees, because n equals to 6, is just 6 times 8, which equals to 48. Okay, then C, you're supposed to find the n term for the number of apple trees. So it's always n square. I think by now you should be able to understand. Okay, and then for the number of conifer trees, it will be multiples of 8, right? So you see it's 8 times whatever n is. Okay, so here n term for the number of conifer trees is 8n. Okay, that's all.